Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of a multiple video series covering the operation of electric circuits with a focus towards electrical quantities. I know you're excited, and so am I, so let's get right into it. Today's topic, we'll be covering conductors and insulators, which are responsible for allowing charge to be put in motion so that it becomes an electric current. So if you're asking yourself, I don't know what a conductor or an insulator is, have no fear, I'm going to answer that question right here. So conductors are materials to which charges flow readily. Materials that are considered conductors are most metals like silver, gold, copper, and even aluminum, while insulators are materials that do not allow charge to move easily. These materials are glass, plastics, ceramics, and even rubber. Conductors are considered to have low resistance to the flow of charge, while insulators have a very high resistance to the flow of charge. There's also something called semiconductors, and these are materials that fall in between conductors and insulators and have a moderate resistance to the flow of charge. Such materials that are classified as semiconductors are silicon, germanium, and gallium arsenide. And I know what you're thinking, wow, I thought this video was just going to cover conductors and insulators, but no, I surprised you. We got semiconductors on the plate too. So that concludes today's video on conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. I hope you found this useful and enjoyable. I know what you're thinking, man, why is it already over? But I'm sorry. It was just a quick crash course introduction to these content, and I hope it sparks some interest in allowing you to further do additional research. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate a like, comment, and even subscribe if you found this interesting and want to follow up with future videos. And I hope to see you guys in videos that are being released in the near future. See you guys.